Hello there and welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. Today I'm going to cook a dish that I was given when I was in a visit to Turkey, and it's called Manti. It's quite a simple set of ingredients and I'm adapting it slightly, so apologies to anybody, but this is going to be my take on it. It's minced beef, like pasta dumplings, and then I'm going to make a sauce with yogurt and garlic, and then drizzled over the top you have a sort of tomato based oily sauce. Now, I think in Turkey they quite often use butter, but I'm trying to go for a healthy option. So I'm going to use olive oil, and I'm also going to put a little bit of the tomato pepper paste in and some pepper flakes. And that's just to make a little oily sort of tomatoey dressing that goes over the top. So as I say, a simple few ingredients. If I get it right, it will be delicious. So watch this space. In a bowl, we're going to crush 3 garlic cloves. This is because I'm making this dish just for one person. The yogurt is infused with a lot of garlic. So I've got three there, and I think for me, let's just give it another go. For me, 3 are going to be ample, to be honest. So that goes in there. Then in we go with the yogurt. Now I'm using a low fat or a fat-free Greek style yogurt. You can't get Turkish yogurt easily in the UK. And I'm using fat-free because I'm trying to watch my diet, re-cholesterol. So I think that's probably going to be enough yogurt there. And then I'm just going to mix everything together. Well, everything, the garlic and the yogurt. And then I will put that in the fridge while I make the sauce, the drizzled sauce that's going on the manti. And that garlic can infuse into the yogurt nicely. So that's that done. So that's quite simple. Next, I'm going to take the skin off of this tomato. So the easiest way to do that is to actually just put the tomato in a bowl with some boiling water from the kettle and leave that for a couple of minutes. I should have turned that over, so I'm just going to turn it over now, making sure I don't burn myself. Okay, so a couple of minutes done, so I should take the tomato out and then carefully dispose of that water. Remove the skin from your tomato. You should find it comes off quite easily now because this is the purpose of putting it in the boiling water. Next, remove the core, the centre part of the tomato, as you can see me doing here, and then chop it up into pieces. In your pan, add a glug of the olive oil and your chopped tomatoes. The red pepper flakes if you have them, and the tomato and pepper paste. Now you could just use tomato puree if you can't get hold of this. Okay, so this has been cooking now for, steam, for 10-15 minutes very slowly, and it's reduced a lot, and I've stirred it, and I think I can say that's done as far as I'm concerned now. So I'm just going to turn that off and leave it until I'm ready to heat it up and put it with the Manti. Bring a pan of water to the boil and add your Manti to that. And simmer gently for about 5 minutes until it looks like this, until it's floating. Then you just need to strain it. And then add your hot Manti to the yoghurt mix that we prepared earlier. It's ready to dish up now. So place your yoghurt mix with the Manti onto your dish. Perfect. And now drizzle with the tomato sauce that you've made. And this is a great accompaniment to this dish. Finally, you're left just to enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to be back with you soon.